Greetings, mortals. Today I bring you a message forged in the crucible of my own battles and hardships. A lesson that transcends the realms and echoes across time. The importance of appreciating the small moments in life. Many know me as the god of war, a warrior who has faced gods and monsters alike. My journey has been one of relentless pursuit and unforgiving battles. But amid the chaos, there lies a truth often overlooked, the beauty of the small moments that make life truly meaningful. In my quest for vengeance and redemption, I discovered that life's true treasures are found not in the grandiose victories or crushing defeats, but in the quiet moments that often go unnoticed. The rising sun, the gentle rustle of leaves in the wind, the laughter of a loved one, these are the threads that weave the tapestry of our existence. They are the moments that add depth to the otherwise relentless march of time. I have faced gods who sought power above all else, and monsters driven by insatiable appetites. In their relentless pursuits, they lost sight of the simple pleasures that make life rich. Mortals, do not let the weight of your ambitions blind you to the beauty that surrounds you. Take a moment to savor the taste of a hearty meal, relish the warmth of a comforting embrace, and cherish the laughter that dances in the air. I, too, have been guilty of overlooking these moments in my relentless pursuit of vengeance. It took the wisdom of my son, Atreus, to remind me of the simple joys that make life worth living. In the quiet moments, we find solace. In the seemingly insignificant gestures, we discover profound connections. Life is fleeting, and in our mortal existence, these small moments are the true treasures that endure. So I implore you, mortals, amidst your struggles and ambitions, take a moment to appreciate the small moments. For it is in these moments that the essence of life is revealed. I, Kratos, bid you to find joy in the simplicity of existence.